Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to use Magic Cut in Photopea software. So get started. At first open our Photopea software. Now you can see use Magic Cut of picture. Now going to the file main option. Now click for open option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open. That is, now you can see then we show open the picture. Now I use the magic eraser. Now going to the toolbar option. Now select from magic eraser option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from magic eraser option. Now click from background. That it's, now you can see then I'm going to again move tool option. Now you can see then I show the background remove. Then background remove is one click in magic eraser tool in the use. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.